Welcome back to New Car Updates, the channel where we explore the latest and most jaw-dropping innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a machine that redefines road travel, the 2026 luxury semi-truck RV conversion. This isn't just an RV, it's a 5-star hotel on 18 wheels. Built on a customized Class 8 semi-truck chassis, this masterpiece merges the brute strength of a long-haul truck with the elegance of luxury design. The sleek exterior features aerodynamic contours, metallic paint finishes, LED accent lighting, and even retractable solar panels. There's a rooftop deck that folds out with the press of a button, perfect for soaking in the sunset from literally anywhere. Now step inside, because this is where the magic truly begins. The interior is a tech-infused luxury suite with Italian leather upholstery, hardwood flooring, and panoramic smart windows that tint on demand. There's a 65-inch OLED screen that glides out from a hidden panel, a fully equipped kitchen with marble countertops and high-end appliances, and a master bedroom that rivals top-tier hotel suites. Oh, and don't forget the bathroom, complete with a full-size shower, heated floors, and backlit mirrors. But this RV isn't just about luxury, it's a performance powerhouse. Under the hood, you've got a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain delivering over 1,200 pound-feet of torque, capable of towing almost anything while still giving you up to 700 miles of range on a single fill-up. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and even autonomous parking, it's as smart as it is strong. And if you're wondering about customization, the sky's the limit. From satellite internet to off-grid battery setups, even options like a helipad or a built-in garage for your supercar. Prices start around $750,000, but each one is built to order based on your dream. So what do you think? Is this the future of travel, or the ultimate escape pod for life on the road? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love keeping up with the newest and wildest vehicle innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. This is New Car Updates, where the future is always rolling in.